Hi guys, how you doing? This is Dan, September 22nd after the market close, and here's a quick look at SPX chart here in the last for 20 days 30-minute chart. And if you look at it here closely, we're consolidating here from 17th of the month in this range 106.5 to 171, 175, 107.5, and there has been no pullback here, even though the stochastics is way overbought. And we have broken out here actually in say about September 3 to now, but this is a sideways pattern here at this point, which is very clear. It's a consolidation pattern. It is continuation, meaning the uptrend will resume here anytime, and it may slightly go up again here. Let's take a look at real quickly on our favorite chart, RUT, and see what it's doing here. RUT is in the same mode here. Bullish is very bullish stochastics here, overbought, and it is not coming down from here 615 and it's consolidating. Today it hit a slightly highest level 620 and it is going on a sideways. There has been no pullback as expected. The market remains extremely overbought here, but that is the nature of the beast. Let's look at NDX. Same thing, a high channel here, consolidation here in the last 3 sessions. This is a long-term trend line, and we rallied up here quite a ways, and it still have not come back here. If you draw some, let's take a look at the Fibonacci retracement. If anything, it will pull back. It can pull back here up to 1705, but I don't see much of it happening here so quickly. On to these things are just it's a different type of a market. That's what I think we're facing here. So these charts are looking into much of these consolidation patterns here these days. Let's look at some stocks here very quickly. Baidu, for example. This is 20-day 30-minute. Same pattern here. Start consolidating here from 16th. It's at 400 level and up and down, 5 points up and down. It's a very tight, narrow channel. Good volume today, and the stock is still overbought, very overbought here. If you look at year to date here, this is what it looks like. There has been some selling today. It's a long red candle, but it has not pulled back, and the stochastic remains here above 80 and 90 levels, way overbought here still. Apple, just to look in the tech sector, see what it is doing. The same thing, overbought conditions, 90 stochastics, low volume today, but that happens when it starts consolidating. The buyers and sellers are just being equal at this time. And one more in the banking sector, let's look at GS, and it's also doing the same thing. In fact, it went up here at 3.3, so it has been consolidating. But if you look at it down here, the stochastics, it's way overbought and it's going sideways now, and this thing can continue forever. I mean, there is no stopping here, and I am expecting that this will continue and may not even pull back here. So that is what the basic video is here today. I'll be updating this thing tomorrow.